What do I do if I don't click with my therapist?
Finding a therapist can be a little bit tricky, so have a huge shopping list of all the things that you'd want in your dream therapist, and then go online, have a look, see who kind of ticks those boxes, and it's okay if you don't click with the person straight away as well.
Hi, I'm Bryden, and today I'm with Nasalifya.
Hi, I'm Nasalifya. I'm a clinical psychologist.
And today we're going to be having a little chat about some of the questions you've asked us on our online community and Instagram about what it's like seeing a therapist. Is it awkward, embarrassing, or nerve-wracking to see a therapist?
Yeah, seeing a therapist can be uncomfortable because, we're asking you to really open up. The therapist should do a lot of the heavy lifting and helping you feel more comfortable and confident to share what you want to share.
How can I prepare to get the most out of my session?
Have a bit of an idea of what it is that you want to talk about in that session. So be willing and ready to open up. We may be asking you questions that you've never talked about before, or talk about things that are hard. And the last thing is have some self-care plan. That might be hanging out with a friend, going for a coffee, going for a walk, because opening up can be pretty difficult and we may have some pretty heavy feelings afterwards.
What should I do if my treatment isn't working?
Having a conversation, a really honest conversation with your therapist is probably the best place to start. It's really important to not give up on therapy itself, because just because the individual you're working with isn't the right fit doesn't mean therapy isn't helpful.
What if I can't get in to see a therapist?
Put yourself on a wait list for a couple therapists if that's the case. But in the first place, go see your GP and tell them what's going on. GPs are really good at providing support. The third thing that I would suggest is that you could get in contact with phone counseling services like Lifeline or Kids Helpline if you want to speak to someone there and then. And then lastly, you could always talk to your friends and family if they can kind of help support you while you're waiting as well.
How do I see a therapist if I'm on a lower income?
A really great thing that we have access to in Australia is a mental health care plan. So that's something that you go to your GP and they can prepare that for you, and it gives you access to a number of sessions in a year. It might be also useful to have a look at the non-profit organizations that cater to whatever demographic you fall into. That might be migrant services or community mental health services. The other thing that you can do is actually tell your therapist that you're struggling financially, and you can find out if they offer any subsidized or bulk billed sessions as well.
Yeah.
So there's lots of options.